Hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So linear equation in two variable word problems continue those. Okay, so ngasigi question jida we will introduce some new topics no question type discuss tausi like we discuss tawdoriba question jida is the no project tholkani. For instance, cost price, selling price, profit percentage, loss percentage have a concept. Very easy tholkani natra. Sige marizi hana aikoi understand toksi hana. Okay. Question ji hana yengringai. Question ji says go. Okay. And we'll try and understand the concepts of cost price, selling price, profit percentage, loss percentage. Koina sige concept decision araga. Sumaina lakpo question ji karam haina tackle tokoni. So ahambada concept. Let's say let's say I bought a pen. Aina kulo mama lupa 60 the lady. Okay. Ado kulom ji aina yon matamda lupa 90 the yon thoya. Okay. Ado oita di ay profit kya orani. Profit si selling price minus cost price already. As selling price kya le raha 90, cost price 60. As the profit kya le raha 30. Rupees 30 is the profit le raha. Now sigi pot si aina profit percentage aina haiba matamda karino haitaradi aina phangiba profit si divided by cost price into 100 ml. This is our profit percentage size. Okay. Ado ita di profit se kya no ye 30. Cost price na kya 60 natra into 100. Ado 30 na 2 na 50. So profit percentage is 50%. Sina hai di karino hai matam aina thada give up paisa dugi 50% ti tonge aduna haidi aina thadagi paisa de kya lupa humpu nadra sigi lupa humpu jigi 60 jigi 50% ti kya tara tangkai de 30 nadra 30 ji tonge haine. Okay, now sigi potsi aikoina ithorko matamda kamain ithorkani haiba matamda selling price haibesi nadra cost price plus profit percentage of cost price. Okay, so ये the cost price का profit percentage का हपचल लगा selling price से ताबरेंग से cost price क्या ना 60 plus profit percentage से क्या ना 50% of cost price क्या ना 60 नद्रा अदो इतना दिसी क्या तारे 2 ना से कथला दी 30 so 60 plus 30 is 90 अदो दे कोई ना selling price 90 ne mamang da assume tau ki du tapchan taraba. Okay, now sigi pot say this thing, this is the koina mathematical statement ama easy. This is what we are going to use to solve profit percentage, loss percentage ki question mein. Okay, now similarly a coin example am loss ki. Let's say aina pot ama lupa yang khay de leure. Okay, aina selling price kya da lupa let's say 40 de yol ado ita de engon the mangjar natra. So loss is equal to cost price ne helamina cost price minus selling price. So cost price is 50, selling price is 40. Here go. So loss is rupees 10. Now, rupees 10. Loss percentage again only. Loss percentage I be loss divided by cost price into 100. Chap money process. So 10 divided by cost price is 50 into 100. Ado ita disi kya tara 520. So we have 20%. 20% aina thadaruba paisa dugi 20% si mangi haibane. Adudi ekoina mamangi type the mathematical statement ama igi haita di mangwini na cost price sidagi loss percentage of cost price. Adu ita di cost price kya tare 50 minus loss percentage 20 by 100 into cost price is 50. So we have natra 2 na si 10 na kaya. So we have 50 minus 10 which is equal to 40. Adu di 40 rupees tare selling price. Yan tare ko. Okay. So kari gumba loss ki wari oita di loss ki question oita di we will be using this concept, and profit ki oita di will be using the selling price plus cost price plus profit percentage of cost price. Yan tare ni ko. Okay. So now let us look at the question. Question is like, okay. Question dina hai je kaino chair amalai and a table. One is the cost 1200 P. Okay. So a chair and a table cost 1200 rupees. By selling the chair at a profit of 20% and the table at a loss of 5%, there is a profit of 4% on the whole. Find the cost price of the chair and cost price of the table. Adu ita di maunda kailera chair amaga table amaga lay. Chair jiga table jiga ji lishing amaga chani pi 1200. Mana chair ji 20% profit te yon gra, table jina 5% loss te yo lay. Si yon matungda mana 1200 te lerak podo. Today is the 4% profit phange. Okay, so we have to find the value of the cost price of the chair and the table. Okay, so we'll do a little bit of analysis macham tos ning jiga kai haino jman chair haiba mal leira table haiba mal leira. Okay, cost price yeng se koina cost price ki chair ki cost price se x nen loksal lasi, table ki cost price si y nen loksal lasi. Nere ko ad mawani ye cost price si 1200 P haibane natra adu ita di kari gumba aina x siga y siga tension na bataradi 1200 ti tadori natra. So this can be termed as equation 1. Nare ko mathang da chair jina kaya da yole haiba 20% profit te yole chair jina natra, and tables in at 5% loss the yole. Okay, now ado itadi akoina mamang da concept ama sizinagi natra selling price si kamaina sizinani natra selling price equal to cost price plus profit percentage of cost price natra selling price equal to cost price minus loss percentage of cost price. Ado itadi akoina masigi concept si sizinaraga my selling price si kaya tagen haipet yengsi. Okay, ado ita di selling price si kay tarani cost price plus natra profit percentage of cost price haiba mai. Ado ita di yengsi koi na x ki chair ki cost price ka log x plus 20% of x na natra. Ado ita di LCM log di kya tara 100 plus 100x plus 20x. This is the 120x by 100. Similarly, sigi selling price sigi selling price kya lani loss kinina cost price minus loss percentage or direct adum easy kya loss no 5% of cost price natra. The cost price is going to y laure minus 5% 5 by 100 into x natra. Adu ita di sida kya le 100 y minus 5 y si y ogidam niko x 11. So this should be y natra. So 100 y minus 95y adu ita sida kai lere 95y by 100 yan tarani ko adu chair jina selling price lere okay table jina selling price lere okay mathangda adu ita sida total selling price kya tarani 120x by 100 plus 95y by 100 tarani okay now question dina condition amazu piram sumaina yondhoku matam na ma 4% profit phange total 1200 chire adudi magi selling price atopa amaji amu kamaina puthokpa yage haiba matam da cost price total cost price nadra total cost price kya no 1200 plus 4% of 1200 haiba abra because mana whole ngazai 1200 ki whole transaction jire is the 4% tong hai bine natra adu itadi kya lani 1200 plus 4 by 100 into 1200 adu 48 natra 1200 plus 48 which is equal to 1248 okay now man kai hai adu sidai da koina cost price selling price amazu phange sidai da selling price amu phange adu ita de koina kai hai biani selling price ani ji natra plus 95y by 100 is equal to 1248 hai bia natra because sigi transaction ji tawra kanda natra sigi total transaction ji tawu matam da ma ji 4% tong hai bine 4% tong ni kya no 1248 ko re adu ani je punjal lagadi masi equal to equation ma same be are yan tare ko so we'll call this equation 2 so we have two equation natra sigi equation jimulera and we'll solve these two equations to find the value of x and y which are the cost prices of the chair and the table okay adu the question ji solution ji our see bada kai birani question ji na piram mi data mayam ji and ithom si okay so first of all total cost price of a chair and a table is equal to rupees 1200 there I go mathang the profit made on chair is equal to chair profit kya phange 20% natra similarly loss incurred on table natra is equal to 5%. Masang the total or profit made on the whole transaction or the whole sale as yeah. Is equal to 4%. There you go. Adi masang dekho in kai haibni let x and y be the cost price of chair and table respectively. There you go. Now respectively sila adu ita di now sila ako na kay hayar from question or directly we can say from question हम the kay hayar x plus y is equal to 1200 implies that x is equal to 1200 minus y. We'll use this as equation 1. There I go. now mathangda now selling price of chair ji kya nahi ho sidagi di akhon kai butoni selling price of chair ji yengo matamda kya orani akoina profit percentage nina akoina profit kya phangi chair da 20%, so x plus 20% of x haibno koi ibiran natra adu ita sig kya tara x plus 20 by 100x mathak ka tawgi koina LCM 100 laura we have 100x plus 20x natra and we have 120x by 100. Okay, similarly akoina selling price of table selling price of table hoita the 1 minus 5% of y natra so we have y minus 5 by 100 y so 100 is thambiro natra so 100 y minus 5y which is equal to 95y by 100. Okay, now we can say total selling price is equal to natra 120x by 100 plus 95y by 100. Okay, similarly mathangda also total selling price mana 4% phangi ni jo haidra so we can also write 1200 plus 4% of 1200 natra adu ita di 1200 plus 4 by 100 into 1200 natra adu ita si kya tara 48 so 1200 plus 48 so we have 1248. Okay, so this is so from question direct absolute equation 2 is same kai orni equation 2 is 120x by 100 plus 95y by 100 is equal to 1 2 4 8 yan tarani ko ado ita this is solved over so we will call this LCM lower 100 later so we have 120x plus 95y is equal to 1248 natra similarly akoina 120x plus 95y is equal to 1248 100 chesna kan puthokrasi 00 pusalasi natra adu di 120x akoina kari value logi mamangda natra x value ma akoina equation 1 da ama thangi 1200 minus y natra adu ita di akoina 120x 1200 minus y thamasi nabra sa natra sidagi di kaila 124800. Okay, so we have see is multiplied to the 120 into 1200 see 144000 minus 120y plus 95y is equal to 124800. Okay, ado ita di sigi minus 120y plus 95y si hoina solve to matamda 25y la minus 25y natra minus 19200 upon minus 25 very good adu ita di so si divide orga kai tara y ki value 768 now substituting y is equal to 768 in equation 1 the y ki value is 768 hapsalasi adu ita di kya la 1 y is equal to 1200 minus sorry x is equal to 1200 minus y ne natra x is equal to 1200 minus y adu itadi 1200 to the y value cannot 768. So we have the value of x is equal to 432 natra adu itadi. Therefore cost price of chair x is equal to rupees 432 and cost price of table in a y log give me na rupees 768. So this is how you solve this equation. Okay, now so this is the before we conclude portray rayingsi aikoina sizinnagiba concepts. Okay, so this is the why maru is please understand this concept. Okay, cost price, selling price, profit percentage, loss percentage. Nada profit percentage sidagi aikoina statement ama puthorokpa sigi statement se if sidai loss la aba sina profit la. Okay, ani sini aikoina season and this. Okay, karimta yam karna complicated oibinate. All we have to do is understand this concept and apply this. Okay, aduni akoin mamang season give a concept ni is the selling price, cost price, na is the analysis the tax. Natra selling price is equal to profit ki the c, cost price ki the c. Why minus la is loss ki the aikoina mangjab ni na minus la pa. Natra profit na tongjab ni na plus la. Okay, so this is how we tackle such kind of questions. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you for joining Anka classes. We will meet again.